Which vacuum storage bag is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, FiGrip Vacuum Storage Bags. First up, we have the FiGrip Vacuum Storage Bags. Priced at $17.99. These bags caught my attention because they promise to save you up to 80% of storage space. If you want an effective way to store clothes and blankets, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With the FiGrip bags, you can easily pack away comforters or seasonal clothing without taking up much room. The double zipper design and triple seal one-way valve ensure that everything stays tightly compressed and protected. Plus, they come with a hand pump, making it super convenient for travel. With over 40,000 sold in just the past month and a solid 4.3-star rating from 6,900 reviews, these bags are clearly popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the durability of the plastic. Here's the thing though, while some users felt they weren't tough enough, I found that if you handle them gently, they hold up just fine, especially for regular home use. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable option for seasonal clothes or travel packing. Skip this one if you're looking for premium, ultra-durable bags, but for the price, it's a great value. Now, if the durability concern bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VacBird Jumbo Size Vacuum Bags. Next, let's talk about the VacBird Jumbo Size Vacuum Bags. At $46.99, they might seem a bit pricey, but the value comes in their size and convenience. If you're looking for something that makes packing a breeze, this might just be it. What really stands out is the wireless pump that comes with it, which is super handy. This rechargeable pump compresses up to 90 bags per charge, and it works fast, about 10 to 15 seconds per bag. Imagine packing your entire winter wardrobe in just a few minutes. Plus, the durable PA plus PE material means these bags are tear-resistant and reusable. With a 4.4-star rating from 5,200 reviews, they're another solid option that's proven itself. However, some users mentioned that the pump could be a bit bulky to carry. I get that. If you're tight on space, that could be an issue. But for home storage or travel if you have room, it's a minor inconvenience for the speed and efficiency you gain. This is perfect for you if you often travel or move frequently and need quick packing solutions. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact, but the quality justifies the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for on-the-go packing. Product number 3, VacBird Rechargeable Wireless Pump Bags. Coming in at $31.49, we have the VacBird Rechargeable Wireless Pump Bags. These caught my eye for their portability and ease of use. If you're someone who travels a lot, you'll want to hear about this one. The 1,800 mAh wireless pump is a star feature here, allowing you to vacuum your bags in just 3 seconds without needing an outlet. That's super convenient when you're in a hotel or on the road. Plus, they reduce bulky items by 70%, which is great for making room in your suitcase. The see-through window design lets you quickly identify what's inside, so no more rummaging around. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,500 reviews, it has a solid user base. However, some found that the bag sizes were a bit tricky for larger items. Here's the thing though, for regular clothing and travel essentials, they work just fine and keep packing light. This is perfect for you if you want a way to save space when traveling or need to store seasonal items efficiently. Skip this one if you typically store oversized items, but otherwise, it's a worthy investment. Now, if you're looking for a different approach to vacuum storage, the next one could really surprise you. Product number 4, Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Rolls. Next up, we have something a bit different. The Food Saver Custom Fit Vacuum Sealer Rolls, priced at $19.99. This is great if you want to keep food fresh, but it's also useful for clothing storage when you need an airtight seal. If you're looking for versatility, this is one to consider. These rolls let you cut the length you need, which means you can customize it for whatever you're storing. The multi-layer design locks in freshness and protects against freezer burn, making it great for food, but also for sealing clothing tightly. With a whopping 4.8-star rating from over 60,000 reviews, it's a popular choice for a reason. However, A few users mentioned that it can be a hassle to cut to size, especially when you're in a hurry. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a small price to pay for the freshness and protection you get. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-purpose solution for both food and clothing. Skip this one if you're only focused on large-scale clothing storage, but it's a great value for the price. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which is a great choice for those who need a compact storage solution. Product number 5, Lezeker Vacuum Storage Bags with Pump. Finally, we have the Lezeker 15-pack vacuum storage bags, priced at $32.29. These bags impressed me with their strong suction power and ease of use, making them a fantastic option for both travel and home use. If you're looking for a complete set for all your storage needs, check this out. The 5,000 Pascal suction power means they remove air quickly, reducing your storage space by up to 80% in just 10 seconds. Plus, the rechargeable battery can compress up to 100 storage bags per charge, which is great if you're packing for a trip or organizing your home. With a 4.6-star rating from 548 reviews, they're a reliable choice. However, some users found the pump takes a bit longer to start than expected. Here's the thing though, once it gets going, the speed makes up for it, and you'll have everything packed away in no time. This is perfect for you if you want a portable solution that makes packing easy and efficient. Skip this one if you're looking for traditional storage solutions, but the compact design and power make it a worthwhile investment. So, to wrap it up, we've covered Figrip's budget-friendly bags, VacBird's jumbo options for quick packing, the portable VacBird bags, the versatile food saver rolls, and the powerful Lezeker set. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Whether you're storing clothing, bedding, or even food, there's a perfect option for you.